If monkey has bananas, monkey happy. Banana give energy, banana taste good. Monkey wake up, monkey eat banana. Monkey go do monkey things, life good. But one day monkey wake up, banana still there, same banana, same amount. But banana feel different. Banana taste same, but monkey feel nothing. Monkey think banana problem. Monkey try eat more banana. 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, still nothing. Banana not broken, banana still banana, but monkey brain no release happy juice. Monkey confused. Monkey thinks monkey lazy. Monkey friends say, just eat more banana. Monkey try. Monkey friends say, other monkeys happy. Why you not happy? Monkey look at other monkeys eating banana. They smile. Monkey feel worse. Banana now feel heavy. Banana feel like work. Monkey stop doing things. Monkey stop climbing. Monkey stop playing. Banana still on table. Monkey no banana help. But monkey cannot reach for banana. Monkey think banana gone bad. But banana not bad. Monkey brain tired. Depression is when banana still exist, but monkey cannot feel banana. Not because monkey weak, not because monkey lazy. Monkey brain need time. Monkey brain need help. Sometimes even bananas can't fix everything. Please subscribe.